Let me ask you something. When was the last time you truly rested? Not just stopping work, not just sitting down with your phone in front of you, not just scrolling, watching, or replying to messages and calling it rest. I mean, the kind of rest that quieted your heart and allowed you to be fully present. Hi, my name is Denmark from the Service of the Living God community in Ormoc City. Welcome to Pathways of Hope. Before I go any further, I want us to listen first to the words of Jesus himself. From the Gospel according to Mark chapter 6 verses 30 to 34. The apostles gathered around Jesus and reported to him all they had done and taught. And he said to them, "Come away by yourselves to a desolate place and rest for a while." For many were coming and going, so they went off in the boat by themselves to a deserted place. I want to stop there and I want us to focus on this one phrase Jesus speaks. Come away by yourselves. Not just rest, but come away. Not just pause, but be with me. I want to be honest with you. Sometimes I catch myself resting, but not really resting. I'm beside my wife in the bed or in the couch, but my attention is elsewhere. My child is near me, but my mind is occupied. Sometimes I'm not even holding my phone. I have one earbud in, listening to a podcast, a video, or something in the background. On the outside, it looks like rest, but inside, I'm still consuming, still filling the silence, still not fully present. And I've come to realize something. When I rest like this, I don't just miss on moments with my family. I miss out moments with God. When we spend time preoccupied in the guise of resting, we end up filling our minds with things that are not truly important. Often, beneath this is FOMO, or the fear of missing out. We're afraid of missing the news, the latest updates, what everyone else knows. So even when we try to rest, we keep one eye open, one ear listening, one hand ready to scroll. And here's the irony. In our fear of missing out on everything else, we miss out on the most important presence of all. We miss Jesus himself. Jesus' invitation in the gospel is not accidental. He doesn't say, "Come away with me with your distractions." He doesn't say, "Come away with me, but stay connected." He says, "Come away by yourselves." Jesus wants our full attention. Not because he needs it, but because we do. As we rest, he is not inviting us to fill our minds with information. He is inviting us to fill our minds with him. In a world where people are growing more detached, more distracted, more distant even from those they love, Jesus calls us otherwise. He calls us back to presence, back to communion, back to relationship. Jesus doesn't call us to half rest. He doesn't invite us to be with him while our minds are somewhere else. He wants our full attention. Because rest with Jesus is not about escaping life. It's about being fully present with him. The world tells us that we deserve rest that centers on ourselves, our comfort. We're afraid of missing out on entertainment, updates, or noise. But we rarely notice when we're missing out on his voice, his presence, his quiet work in our hearts. Even when our hands are empty, our minds can be full. Even when the phone is down, the noise continues. And without realizing it, we give Jesus our leftovers, what remains after everything else has had our attention. But Jesus doesn't ask for leftovers. He asks us to come away. And when we truly rest with him, something changes. Our vision widens, our hearts soften, our service becomes lighter, our love becomes deeper. When we don't rest well, people start to feel like interruptions, and even ministry can feel heavy. But when we rest in the Lord fully, we return better, better spouses, better parents, better servants, better disciples. Not because we did more, but because we were with Him. Jesus still says to us today, "Come away with me and rest a while." Not distracted, not divided, not half present, but fully with Him. Because missing out on me time is temporary, but missing out on Jesus, That is the greater loss. So come away, give Him your full attention, and rest in Him. Again, my name is Denmark from the Servants of the Living God community in Ormoc City. May you enjoy your rest in the presence of Jesus today.